Hello everyone and welcome back to the Coos Art Museum's online art lessons where we bring the art into your home. Today I want to share with you a really simple art project that can have a lot of different outcomes. And all you're going to need, popsicle sticks, glue, and whatever else you want to use to decorate. Depending on what you choose to use, things might get a little messy, so you might want to have a messy mat. I'm going to show you how to take just simple popsicle sticks and turn them into these fun little art boards. You could use them as signs or coasters. There's actually a lot of things you can do with them. So let's go ahead and jump into our video. Don't forget to follow the Coos Art Museum on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I have a couple of different sizes to choose from. This one is your average popsicle stick, which you would get in any kind of popsicle or ice cream. And I just collected a bunch of those. But I also have these that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I think this is going to make a perfect one for me. The number of popsicle sticks that you're going to need will be determined by how big your popsicle sticks are. For these craft ones, I'm going to need 10. I'm going to take 8 of them and put them close together so that they're nice and even. A trick for keeping them even is taking a book that has an edge to it and just resting all the popsicle sticks right up on that edge. That will really help. Then I'm going to take 2 other popsicle sticks. I'm going to place some glue on here and I'm going to glue them right on the back, on the top and on the bottom. You'll know I have enough popsicle sticks because this stick is just about the right size. For glue, I'd recommend getting some craft glue or even using a hot glue gun. I definitely wouldn't try a glue stick with this one because you want something that has some really good sticking power. So we're going to put that glue all over this stick. Not super goopy, but just a good solid coverage. And then again, make sure all my sticks are lined up the way I want. And I'll put this one right here and just kind of push down for a minute or two. While the glue is wet, you can still move things around a little bit. We're just going to push, push, push. And then I'll do the same thing with this popsicle stick, putting the glue all over it. Remember, if you make it really goopy, it's going to kind of smoosh out through the sides. Right there, and hold it down. You're going to need to let this fully dry before I move on to the next step, and I recommend putting something heavy on top of it to help everything kind of be pushed down. Once it's fully dry, go ahead and check to make sure every popsicle stick is glued down well. You want to fix any gaps or loose boards before we get to the next step, which is decorating. And this part is completely customizable to what supplies you have. You can choose to use craft paint on these, markers, and even colored pencils. Or if you'd like, you can just leave it blank. If this top feels a little too bumpy for you, you can always take a little sandpaper and sand it down, smooths it out. But I kind of like this feel of all the different planks. However you decide to decorate your little wooden crafts, we would love to see it, so make sure to share your artwork with us and use the hashtag CamArtAtHome to share your artwork with everyone. For more information about the Coos Art Museum, make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and become one of our subscribers on YouTube. Have a great time arting, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!